Hello everyone and a warm welcome to my channel. I am Dr. Megha Chaturvedi and today I am here to talk about something very important. How to take care of your psoriasis during the summer months. While summer brings sunshine, vacations and vibrant energy for those living with psoriasis, it can also bring challenges like flare-ups, sweating, itching and increased skin sensitivity. But here's the good news. With the proper care, summer can actually become a healing season for your skin. Today, let us explore how a blend of science, Ayurveda and simple daily habits can help you manage psoriasis and keep your skin calm and happy even in the heat. First, a quick reminder, psoriasis is an autoimmune condition where the immune system spreads up skin cell turnover, leading to red scaly patches that may itch, crack or even bleed. Summer heat, humidity and sun exposure can either ease or worsen your symptoms, depending entirely on how you manage them. So let us dive into some effective ways to keep your skin healthy and thriving this summer. Number 1 is sunlight. We often wonder, is the sun our friend or our enemy? The truth is, moderate sun exposure can be a natural healer for psoriasis. Gentle morning sunlight, just about 10 to 15 minutes without sunscreen, can help slow down the overproduction of skin cells and reduce inflammation naturally. However, caution is important here. Too much sun can burn the skin and trigger flare-ups. So always protect your skin if you are outdoors for longer periods, especially during peak noon hours. Number 2 is to stay hydrated inside and out. Summer heat can easily dehydrate your body and your skin, leading to dryness and more itching, both of which can worsen psoriasis symptoms. That's why staying hydrated is crucial. Make sure you drink plenty of water throughout the day and enjoying hydrating foods like cucumber, watermelon and refreshing coconut water. From an Ayurvedic perspective, summer is a season when heat can aggravate the doshas, especially pitta. To cool the body internally, you can sip in coriander seed water, fresh aloe vera juice or mint infused drinks. Those natural remedies act as gentle pacifiers for the body's internal heat. Number 3 is to shower wisely. Hot showers, while tempting, can strip away the natural oils of your skin, making dryness worse. During this summer, it's better to take cool or normal water. And remember, right after your shower, it's important to moisturize while your skin is still gently damp. Choose fragrance-free herbal moisturizers enriched with ingredients like neem, aloe vera or coconut oil. In Ayurvedic care, using medicated oil is highly recommended. After bathing, you can apply Sri Ayurveda's Surya body lotion or a soothing blend of coconut oil mixed with a small amount of camphor. This not only hydrates the skin but also helps in calming down the inflammation and soothing the lesions. Number 4 is dress smartly. Your choice of clothing plays a crucial role in maintaining skin health during the summer. Tight or synthetic clothes trap sweat against the skin and can irritate psoriasis patches. Instead, opt for light, loose-fitting clothes made of natural cotton fabrics which allow your skin to breathe. Also make sure to change out of sweaty clothes quickly to prevent fungal infections, as fungal growth can worsen psoriasis symptoms. Number 5 is eat for your skin. In summer, it is important not to overload your digestive fire. Ayurveda emphasizes that psoriasis has deep connection with gut health. To maintain balance, avoid spicy, fried or heavily processed food that create heat and toxins in the system. Instead, nourish your body with steamed vegetables, bitter greens like spinach and fenugreek, the healing spice, turmeric and seeds like flax and chia seeds that are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, and eating simple, cooling and easily digestible food will support both your skin and your overall health. Number 6 is to heal the mind, which heals the skin. Stress is one of the biggest hidden triggers for psoriasis flare-ups. Summer, with its vibrant morning and longer days, is the perfect season to slow down and embrace relaxation. Take a few moments daily to practice deep breathing, yoga, meditation, or simply enjoy a peaceful walk in nature. Even 10 minutes of mindful stillness every day can lower your cortisol level and bring your immune system back into the balance. Remember, relaxation and emotional balance are as important as physical care when it comes to healing psoriasis. In Ayurveda, we don't just aim to suppress symptoms, we work on healing from the root cause. Personalized herbal treatment plays a crucial role in managing psoriasis. Herbs like guduchi, khadir or manjishta help detoxify the body, balances the immune system and purify the blood. Along with this herbal support, detox therapies and a lifestyle tuned to your body type creates a long-lasting healing. If you are considering Ayurvedic care, it's essential to consult a qualified practitioner who can guide you based on your specific doshas and disease stage. Each person's healing journey is unique and deserves a customized approach. So you see, summer doesn't have to be season of struggle. With the right balance of sunlight, hydration and Ayurvedic care, mindful eating and emotional well-being, you can enjoy all the beauty this season has to offer while managing your psoriasis effectively. Remember, true healing is not just about what you apply on your skin but about how you nurture your entire body and mind with care, compassion and consistency. If you found these tips helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more holistic health wisdom where Ayurveda and modern sciences come together for your wellness. Feel free to share your own summer psoriasis care tips or ask questions in the comment below. You can also call us at the number mentioned in the video if you have any doubts or questions. So that is all for today's video. Until next time, stay cool, stay calm and stay kind to your skin.